Do you struggle to keep safety flooring clean? Does it gather dirt and seem just impossible to get a perfect finish? Well, don't worry, you're not alone. Dull or patchy safety flooring is very common. Although excellent at preventing slips in commercial environments and incredibly hard wearing when it's maintained correctly, safety flooring can be notoriously difficult to clean. Safety flooring's non-slip properties are created by the peaks and troughs in its pitted surface. Dirt gets captured in the recesses, making it incredibly difficult and labor-intensive to clean. If dirt is left to accumulate, not only is the floor unhygienic, but it also loses its non-slip qualities, which is not only counterproductive but also hazardous. Surely there has to be a better way. Well, we're confident that we've developed a fast, easy and effective way to deep clean safety flooring like never before. Introducing the Ocelot by Victor, a high-speed, battery-operated oscillating safety floor cleaning machine which effortlessly achieves outstanding results with reduced chemicals. So, how does it work? Well, the Ocelot delivers unrivaled deep cleaning of safety floors through high-powered crosswise oscillation. So this deep penetrating oscillation action agitates and draws out ingrained dirt rather than skimming over the top. The Ocelot's unique microfiber pad collects the dirt, ensuring perfect results without the need for anything more than water or a neutral cleaning solution. Floors are left perfectly clean, dry and safe to walk on instantly. Now let's look at some of the key benefits of the Ocelot. It's easy to use. The Ocelot not only delivers incredible cleaning performance, but it's easy to use with minimal training. It offers edge-to-edge cleaning, so unlike circular rotary machines, the Ocelot's rectangular 400mm drive board gets right into the edges. Reduced chemical use. The efficacy of the mechanical oscillating action combined with the microfiber pads minimizes the need for detergents. Compact and lightweight. The Ocelot weighs just 16 kilograms and is incredibly slimline. This makes it easy to transport and use in confined spaces such as washrooms. It's got a swap-out battery. The Ocelot features a quick-release battery with a runtime of 90 minutes. Need to clean for longer, or simply swap in a second battery to double the runtime. The Ocelot has been built to last in the UK and is protected by a 3-year guarantee. So, do you want your safety floors looking as good as new? Well, contact us today for more information.